Hello and welcome to my channel. Are you tired of having to hold up your trunk lid because you're afraid it's going to hit your head, and one day it will? Or your hood, you're not able to even check your engine oil or your coolant because of wore out lift supports? Well, if so, you are at the right place. I'm going to show you how to do it. It won't take long, and you're going to wish you would have done this months ago. If you're not a subscriber, hit that little button over to the right, become a subscriber right away. Let's get started. Now this is what happens when you have wore out lift supports. And I don't have to tell you, it would just, there's no, any opportunity that it has, it's just gonna fall. I'm gonna use these 3 screwdrivers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with the small screwdriver. And I'm gonna put it here in the center, pry it out. Use a larger screwdriver just to pull it out. Then we're just gonna, there we go. That's why I like to use all 3. And let's wipe some of this grease off so I can see. And we just come down here with the small screwdriver. Oh, this one, no problem. Just came right out. So sometimes you get lucky like that. This is the part number that I actually have. And I got it from my local parts store. I'll show you the price, what I got it for. I like to compare apples to apples. Just make sure they're both the same, because you don't want to waste your time putting on an incorrect part. And with this, all we have to do is just snap this back in. Right, so what we're going to do, let's start here. Just press, and we'll just turn the shock, the support. Just turn it, you get it straight. I just want to say that this is not normal, because this hole here should line up perfectly with the stud here, and it's not doing it. It's actually higher. So, and I'm glad I'm having this problem, because if you do not get it from the dealer, or you happen to get, aftermarket parts, they come in all shapes, forms, and sizes. They can look alike, but they can be measured differently. So I don't want to scratch my car here. So what I have done, I went ahead and I put some tape. I put some tape on here, and what I'm going to do is just twist the screwdriver to actually pry it down to the stud here. And like I said, I apologize for not making this simple, but your job may not be simple, so this can definitely help you out as well. So I'm just going to put it in here. Let's see if I can turn it. There we go. So like I said, that is not the norm. And again, I apologize. All right, we'll go over to the other side. And again, we're going to remove our clip. We're going to go up here through the bottom. Pull out. And we're just going to come down here, remove the clip, just pull the clip out. Apologize for my hand being away. And Just pull it right out. So I just want you to be aware, you've seen the part number and this is the product. So if you get this product, you're gonna have to do the same thing I am doing. Pull it out the cover. I'm sure we're gonna have to go through the same thing we went through before. So we're just gonna snap it on the bottom first. Snap it right on. And again, it's higher. It's up here and the stud is right here. So we're gonna have to do the same thing we did to the other side. Again, I took time to put tape here because I do not want to scratch the vehicle. I'm just gonna put it right here. Put the screwdriver here, press down on the head, and use my other hand to actually pull it in. There we go. And we just make sure we have our pin back in place. And there we go. I hope you do not have to run into this problem, but I'm glad we did. So if you do, you know how to handle it. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah, that feels a whole lot better. I don't have to lift it up. It goes up on its own. That's awesome. That's what you want, to just stay there. You don't want it to just slam down. Make sure we shut it properly. Well, that's all there is to it. To replace your lift support on your trunk, and you can do the same on your hood. I want to thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, and God bless.